I am now going to show you some stuff that are in my pores. Very nasty, but my skin is oily and I get this no matter how often I clean my skin. As you can see, I have large pores, especially on my nose here, and even through here. Large pores. Now, I'm going to squeeze it. And if you watch, you will see stuff coming out of my pores. And now, you can see what I got off. That all came out of my pores.